Group Outdoor Cabinet Series Industrial and Commercial Energy Storage System. All-in-one design, the use of integrated design. Concept, the cabinet integrated battery. Battery Management System BMS, Energy Management System EMS, Modular Converter PCS and Fire System in one. Modular design, flexible expansion. Adapt to a variety of scenarios. Fast power response, support virtual power plant, grid connected, off-grid and other modes. With power grid voltage regulation. 3-phase and balanced governance, harmonic governance, and other functions can improve power quality, load tracking. Backup power supply, peak cutting and valley filling. Reduce energy costs for enterprises. Increase green energy use and maintain safe and stable system operation.